What's up, guys? Good morning. We're back again, and today we are working on the D21, and we are going to change our fuel filter. I'm not going to show where I got this fuel filter because there's no Napa by my house, but I figured I need to change this thing because it's been years since I've touched my fuel filter. So we're going to go ahead and get this taken care of. So first thing we're going to do is disconnect power from the battery. So we're going to take off these terminals here. Just going to loosen that up. That's going to drain all your power. The positive one, you can take it off if you want to, but you don't have to. Then we're going to get off our air box. So take that off. Then we get our tin. I love that sound. It's like ASMR sound. Good. Now you don't have to take off the air box completely. You can kind of just move it to the side, whatever is better for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and just plop mine up. There is a tiny hose that you could disconnect, but it looks like we don't have to disconnect it. Just kind of set it to the side right there. That's perfect. It gives you access to the filter. That's all you need. All right, guys, so now we have access to our filter here, and we're going to disconnect it, the top portion. Now, you want to get a rag and have it ready to catch any fuel that might spew out of this thing. So that's a heads up for you. Let me get my rag. I'm just gonna put it just kind of like that. So when I yank this off, it will kind of suck some of it out. Ooh, she's stubborn. I'm gonna have to spray some WD-40. Or actually, maybe not. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we didn't need no WD-40, so I'm just tugging and pulling back a little bit. There we go. Okay, there we go. We got a little bit of fuel coming out of there. As you can see. Okay, got my rag there, catching everything. Okay, so now we just gotta get the bottom off. Seems to be on there pretty good. See if I can get some pliers and just twist it out. Just twist, and it always seems to do it. Oh. Fuel went everywhere. Not good. Oh man. So we got the old fuel filter out, new one in, and obviously you put the bottom in first. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of squeeze that in the hose here. Okay, that should be good. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is get your clamp and tighten that up as much as you can. All right, guys, so we guided our bottom hose in, and there's a clamp right here, and you get this clamp pretty tight. You want it to be tight enough to where the hose doesn't move at all. Then you're gonna seat the fuel filter back in its holder, and then you just put the top hose on. Like prevent fuel from You went everywhere. Okay. You want to make sure that's on there pretty good. I think every time I've changed the fuel filter, I've spilled gas. I don't think I've ever done it without spilling anything. Alright guys, this is pretty much the aftermath. You see I got my top hose on there with the clamp really nice, and the bottom hose down there with the clamp on there, and that's pretty much it. So have fun. That's how you change your fuel filter.